Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and searching for Auto Brightness so you don't waste time navigating menus. Turn on the Accessibility right arrow display and text size right arrow Auto Brightness switch. This lets the ambient light sensor change screen illumination automatically. Once done, enable True Tone if you want colors to adapt with brightness. Make sure Low Power mode is off while testing, because it can lower maximum brightness and mask how auto brightness reacts. Now you calibrate by setting a comfortable baseline with the Control Center brightness slider. This tells the system your preferred level before automation steps in. Move the phone between bright and dim environments, near a window, then into a darker room, so the sensor has varied data. Observe how the screen ramps up or down and how True Tone shifts color. If changes are abrupt, repeat testing. This hands-on check shows you how responsive auto brightness is on your iPhone 15 and why sensor exposure matters. To finish, restart your iPhone if auto brightness seems unresponsive. Reboots often clear sensor glitches. Make sure your case or a screen protector isn't covering the ambient light sensor near the front camera, because obstruction causes incorrect readings. If problems persist, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset right arrow Reset all settings. This restores display defaults without deleting data. That step usually fixes stubborn configuration issues. Try it only after simple checks, and then rerun the calibration test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.